Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to talk about color mode in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, let's go to find out color mode of my document. Okay, you can go to a file menu, document color mode, and you can see a check mark side of your color mode. The color mode of my document is RGB. I can change it to CMYK color or other color, but you can select all of your elements in your document, go to edit menu, edit color, and now you can convert to grayscale, RGB, and CMYK. Okay, but CMYK is grayed out. Why? You can change in file menu, document color mode to CMYK, edit color, convert to CMYK. Now your document is CMYK color mode. You can change it to edit color to grayscale. Okay, file, document color mode CMYK, but your color change to change to gray scale. Okay, edit color mode to CMYK, Ctrl Z. Okay, now you can change to RGB gain, edit color, file, file, color mode to RGB. Okay, change, edit color, convert to RGB. Yes. So you can change your color mode by go to edit menu, edit color, and convert to your color mode. And you can check your color mode of the color mode of your document by going to file menu, document color mode, and check. You can find the check icon inside of your color mode. Okay, good luck and please subscribe.